What's up, everybody? Today we're going to go through some average functions, and by that I don't mean they're mediocre. I mean they're going to find us our arithmetic mean. What we've got here is your basic average. What's the average amount of sales per day? Equals, simple enough, average. You can hit tab or double click it, select the range you want, close the parentheses, and hit enter. There's our average. Average if, we can add a condition to it. So maybe you just want to see everything that is not zero. So every day that there was sales equals average if we select our range, same as before, comma. Now this is the one that's a little different. You do your quotation marks, greater than, close the quotation marks, and 0. And there you go. So 204.60, so we'll just check it again. 186, 186. This one, 204.60, if we just miss that 0, 204.60. Now maybe we want to see everything that is greater than $100 and after, let's say, day 5. Maybe these were all rainy days. So we go average. We can add two conditions with this one. Average ifs, so we can double click that. The average range, I'll click it right here, comma, criteria range 1. So the first criteria, where is it located? That's going to be the day. We want to make it greater than 5. So just these last days, 6 through 11. Highlight that, comma, and then we're going to do the same thing. Quotation marks, greater than, close the quotation marks, hit and, 5, comma. And now we want to find everything that's greater than $100. So the range 2, where's all the values? Right here. So we can select this again, comma. Then we go back to our quotation marks, greater than, quotation marks, and we want to pick $100. Actually, let's do, because they're all greater than 100 outside of the 0, let's do $200. Close that, enter, 297.60. So just doing a quick little double check here. Actually, they're all greater than 200. That doesn't do us much good. All right, we'll do 300. So right here, 353.40, the average of these two, because they're the only ones greater than 300. 353.40, 353.40. There we are. Basic rundown of the average functions and the offshoots of that. If this has been helpful, great. Share it with whoever and hit that subscribe button. See you next time.